Hello everyone, today I'm showing you all aspects of our RD Pro 300, RD Pro 1500, RD Pro 6000 red light therapy lamps in terms of appearance, band parameters, usage scenarios, and coverage.
Now we show the thickness of the panel. The panel is with 2 mm thickness SPCC. Compared to ceramic, can make the lamps reduce junction temperature of 30% to 50%. Can greatly reduce the incidence of being burned. Now let's calculate its area by measuring the length and the width and working it out on the spot. Take a look at the RD Pro 300, RD Pro 1500 and RD Pro 6000 panels with 60, 300 and 1200 beads. The next test is for the weight of the RD Pro 300, which at just 2.8 kg is the equivalent of a medium-sized watermelon. RD Pro 1500 is 7 kg and weighs about as much as an adult fat cat. At 36 kg, the RD Pro 6000 is close to the weight of a domestic dryer. RD Pro 300, compact and lightweight, easy to move around, suitable for a wide range of scenarios. The RD Pro 1500 with its stand is user-friendly and can be easily pushed without effort. The RD Pro 6000 is heavy, but the motorized stand makes it easy to use. This is the red light coverage formula chart. Through real-life testing, visual display of the irradiance range of the three products, you can do a reference according to me. This integrating sphere allows high precision measurement of light energy, spectrum, color, and other parameters. Thank you for watching my channel. We will see you next time.